Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is a short technique warm-up for advanced pianists in the key of G major. We're going to be doing 6 different things in this warm-up, and so let's just get started with G major scales. We're going to do the scales with the metronome. Right hand first, left hand second, and then hands together. In the video, I'll just show you once, but on your own, you should really be doing the scales up and down several times, 3 to 5 times. One thing I want to mention about your positioning, when we have a scale with the black keys, we have to adjust the angle just slightly, and it's going to affect the right hand more than the left hand for this scale. So instead of the right hand being straight, it's going to be slightly at an angle, so when you get to the F sharp, you're not reaching in for it. Left hand will be more straight than the right hand, however, because finger 2 is long enough to just reach, and if you see where finger 3 is on those keys, it's pretty close. I'm setting my metronome for 90, which is a nice moderate advanced speed. Of course, for exams and things, you're going to probably have to move up to 120 or 144 for these scales, but start at 90, lock it in. If you're not at 90 yet, no problem. Start at whatever you're comfortable with. I'm striving to have my fingers be as even as possible, 4 notes per click. And with the hands together, I'm hoping to have my hands strike the keys at the same time so it's very even. One final thing, for the scales, you want to be playing on the tip portion of your finger and have a nice shape to your bridge. Don't let that cave in. All right? Right hand, ready, go. Together. Now let's do that soft. Okay, the next part of this warm-up is called the formula pattern scale. During this scale, the hands get practice moving in a parallel fashion like we just did, and also a contrary fashion. Same notes, different direction. So the pattern in 2 octave increments is up, out, in, up, down, out, in, down. You'll see this a lot with a long note. I prefer to just keep the scale 4 16th notes at a time. Sometimes it's going to feel like it's coming on the wrong one of the 16th notes. So my advice is to strive for getting 4 notes per click. Here we go with 80. Up for 2 octaves. 1, 2, ready, go. Up. Out. In. Up. Down. Out. In. Down. I'm going to play the formula pattern one more time, and I want to give you a challenge. Add some dynamics according to the direction of your right hand. So whenever the right hand is going up, you're going to get louder. Whenever the right hand is going down, you're going to get softer. All right, here we go. So we're going to start. Let's start piano. 1, 2, ready, go. Up. Out. In. Up. Down. Out. In. Down. Pretty fun, right? All right, so now we're going to move on to arpeggios. In this video, I'm going to only offer you hands separately. When you get more confident and comfortable, please put the hands together and try them a little bit more quickly. So in terms of feel, this should feel just like C. You're just going to start on G instead. And there's a couple of different fingerings you can do. I'll mention them at the beginning of each group. The main tip I have for arpeggios is to not let your wrist be too low, and then to allow the hands to be a little bit angle So when the thumb is coming under, it can fold under. And when you're coming the opposite direction, if you're more at an angle, you're able to fold over easier than this, if that makes sense. All right, right hand arpeggios. For root position, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand root position, best fingering I think is 5, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand first inversion, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1. Ready, go. Second inversion, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand is 5, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, ready, go. The next section is chord progressions or cadences in the key of G major. These are positions that you might encounter when playing a piece in G major. So I'm going to show you all 3 positions. The first one is going to be root position, fingering. There's a few different fingerings, so just do what works best for your hand, all right? So we're going to start with the 1 chord, G major, up to 4, C major, back to G, then down to the 5 chord, and then here's the alternate version of the 5 chord called the 5-7, back to 1. Now, we're going to switch the starting position to first inversion, same chords, G, C, G, down to D, D7, here's the 7th, and G, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1, and then finally, starting in second inversion, we have our 1 chord, G, move up to C, back to G, down to D, D7, G. 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. We're going to do 4-note broken chords, and this is just chord inversions in the 1 chord, tonic, which would be G in this case. The thing that you could focus on is not getting stuck in a position and then moving. If you start on your thumb, it's easier to do a little wrist dip in the direction that you're going. If you start on your finger 5, it's helpful to do a little bit of an over the top motion. So just like the scales, we're going to do right, left together for the broken chords. The blocked chords are going to have these same positions, and see if you can roll up using your whole finger pad. Instead of playing down like this and grabbing the notes, use some motion, kind of pull the sound out of the keys. And then as you pull up, you're shifting over to the next fingering. Right hand, ready, go. Left hand will go over on the way up, under on the way down. 1, 2, ready, go. Now together you can either do kind of with your thumbs touching, or if you want to do 2 octaves apart, you can do that too. I like having my hands closer. 1, 2, ready, go. But I'll do it the other way just for the video. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, the final thing we're going to do is 2 octaves chromatics. I'm going to challenge you to have the first one be more forte and the second one be more piano. Fingering is going to be 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. We'll just do hands separately, by the way. Right hand forte, then piano. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand. I don't know about you, but I really have to concentrate when I'm trying to do it softer because the amount of weight you're applying is so much different. So keep working on that. And that's it for today's video. I will be following up soon with another video in the key of G minor, which is called the parallel minor, the one with the same name. If you found these videos helpful, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, share with others who might enjoy this type of teaching, or even donate to the channel or do a super thank you through YouTube, which also is a sort of donation. And finally, I love to know who these videos are reaching. So if it's not too much to ask, please leave me your location in the comments. I love to hear from you. And as always, thank you for watching.